Plants around us. Part 2. Parts of a leaf.
We eat food when we are hungry. Then what about plants? Haha, they can prepare their own food. How? They do not have any separate room for the kitchen. Leaves can prepare food for the plant with the help of air, water, and sunlight. That is why leaves are known as the kitchen of the plant. The process of plants preparing its own food is called photosynthesis. Wow! Interesting! Let me show you the parts of a leaf. Parts of a leaf. Leaves are mostly green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll. The chlorophyll traps the sunlight to prepare the food. The flat and broad part of a leaf is called leaf blade. It provides enough surface area for the sunlight to fall on the leaf to prepare the food. The topmost part of the leaf is called tip. The edge of a leaf is called margin. The line passing through the middle of a leaf is called the main vein or midrib. The small lines on the either side of the leaf coming from the main vein are called veins. They support the leaf and transport water, minerals to different parts of the leaf. The leaf blade is attached to the stem of the plant by stalk. It is called petiole. It holds the leaf of the plant. Tiny pores present on the underside of the leaf are called stomata. Stomata can be seen with the help of a microscope. They help in the exchange of gases. The air enters through stomata. Wish I too can prepare food like plants. But no, we don't have chlorophyll. Come, let's go home. It's getting dark here.
Let us recall. Plants are green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll. Leaves can prepare their own food with the help of air, water, and sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. The parts of a leaf are leaf blade, petiole, midrib, veins, margin,